I held something for the first time ever. I've been teasing, pretty much told you guys. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you know what it is. But before I get to that, I want to get to the PR samples that I've received, because I've gotten a lot lately and it's a little bit out of the ordinary for me right now. Pixi Jelly Remedy Masks, they sent out a PR mailer with 3 of them. These all mirror the lines that they have already. Vitamin C Remedy Mask, the Rose Remedy Mask. They also come with like this little spoon spatula for application. I have filmed some reel footage with this, but I haven't posted about it yet because I haven't used it yet. So this is the only one I've opened. I kind of have a thing where I don't like to open too many things at once, even if I am receiving them in PR, unless I intend on using them a good 5 to 10 times within opening it. You know what I mean? Because otherwise it feels like they get contaminated with air, and a lot of times the best before dates are, what is this? Within opening, this is good for 6 months on, or whatever it is. I receive a lot of PR from Laneige. They sent me their Perfect Renew Youth Serum. Might as well show you what it looks like. Really beautiful, luxurious glass packaging. It says after using the product for 8 weeks regularly, 100% of the people agreed that visible signs of skin aging seem to have improved, and 96.9% people agree that their skin felt smoother and looked more resilient. So that's according to the pamphlet that I received from Laneige. Thank you so much to the PR firm who sent that to me. They also sent over a peach lip mask over the summer months, and I just didn't talk about it because I'm still working on the original one that I've been using for a while. Like, those sample ones last forever. So this is the lip sleeping mask in peach iced tea. They come in many flavors now. Like, for the holidays, they actually launched a couple of gift sets, and I'll list down below where you can find them, but aren't they cute? You have the peach iced tea sample size right here. They also have the berry lip balm. This is $26 Canadian. The value is $30, so you're getting a deal. 10 grams of product in the fruit berry balm. And the lip sleeping mask is the sample size, which is 8 grams. I have been using one of these for several months, and this lasts a long time, so I feel like in sample size this is such a great deal, especially for the holidays. Perfect stocking stuffer. They also have this kit which has a full size of the berry flavor, which is their, I think it's their staple bestseller original. I think a couple of holiday flavors, Gingersnap and Peppermint. Like, I love peppermint, so I feel like I'm really gonna like that one. Ginger, not really my jam, but I understand for anyone who likes holiday stuff, that could be really appealing. And again, the 2 sample sizes are 8 grams each, and the full size is 20 grams. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had the full size and how long it's taken you to finish. I'm just really curious because I struggle to finish the 8 gram so far still. The value of this kit is $46 Canadian, and it's selling for $39 Canadian. There you go. So you can go check those out if you are looking for some holiday stocking stuffer ideas. I was sent my first Morphe anything. I've never ordered from Morphe. I recently received an email from their PR, and they're like, would you be open to trying anything? And I was like, I don't know, would I? Yeah, here's my address. And they sent over some pieces from their Sour Patch collection, and I was really excited. And unfortunately, I had already made an order for a colorful palette, and then I was like, ooh, but this is actually different than what I ordered. So there's this little cute bag of sponges. I've not tried this yet, but this is the Colorful Crew, and there are lots of different sizes. They have this lip gloss. It's got these really nice sparkles that reflect different colors, and even though it looks pink in the tube, it doesn't really translate as super pink on the lips. It's pretty universal. You could use it as a topper, or you could wear it alone, and it smells just like those little watermelon candies. It smells so delicious. Then they also sent over the sour then sweet palette, which I've used a couple of times. I actually filmed a couple of looks with this and I haven't posted it yet. If it has been posted, I will list it down below and show you some b-roll. The bottom row is all shimmery shades. I don't know, like these three, I'm not convinced. I would have liked for there to have been a shimmery orange. This is actually shimmery pink down here. And maybe, I don't know, there is a shimmery blue, purple. Yeah, I feel like they could have done with just one neutral, but that's just me. And then there is a black and a brown, so you have a couple of options for deepening the crease. This is a palette I would have done differently, I think. I think that's what it is. But I do like that the frosty shades there sort of mimic the sugar coating on the Sour Patch Kids little gummies. So that's nice. I haven't played with it enough to give more opinion than that, if that makes any sense. But it's really great for bright, impactful, and bold looks. Very grateful for that. Thank you so much, Morphe. Thank you, Laneige, and thank you, Pixie. Following that, we have Merit, and I actually just filmed a video for this. I'm wearing the foundation today and the glow, what's it called? The highlighting balm in Bounce, and it's fantastic. Like, it is so beautiful. I think that this is my favorite item, along with the brush and the foundation. It fits me really well. I got the shade in Sand. If you want to see more about this, I'll link the video up when it's available. I actually decided not to try the full range, so to speak, and I opted instead an extra cheek color and an extra lip oil because I wanted to create sort of a darker look and a lighter look for you guys. So stay tuned for that video. I'll put my affiliate link down below. All right, so this is my first order of anything since 2019. There's this palette that I've been seeing from Beauty Bay everywhere that I really want. I first saw it on Alejandro Lisette's channel, so I saw Alex use it. I saw a bunch of British YouTubers use it, and I was just like, I can't get this out of my mind. I really want it. Whew. But then it was constantly out of stock, and I saw Age of Opulence, and I thought, oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. So we're gonna open this up on camera so I can give you my first impressions live. I don't know why I guess they're promoting their Disney collection on the box, but whoa, so excited. Okay, so first up is the Wilderness palette. It's the first time I opened makeup that I've actually like personally really wanted to get with my money. I placed my orders on October 6th and October 7th, and it is October 26th right now. And oh, it's a little bit thicker than I expected, but it's still very compact. Ooh, there's a plastic slip that I'm just gonna take out. Oh my goodness. And here she is in all of her glory. Ah, smells like cardboard and glue. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this shimmer formula. And there are a couple of palettes in this box. Because Wilderness was out of stock until the day after I placed the Age of Opulence order that I did, it's like the universe wanted me to spend more money on makeup. I ended up getting a piece from Sample Beauty. This is a quad that fits 4 eyeshadows, and it's, you know, it's customizable. And I picked 4 green colors to fill it up with. Night Shift, Shamrock, Romaine, like a romaine lettuce, Seaweed, which actually looks more like a dark teal. I'm sorry, my voice just cracked because I'm still recovering from my terrible cold that has been plaguing me, but I'm very grateful to be otherwise quite healthy. The Age of Opulence. Oh my god, there's like this feeling in my stomach of actual butterflies because it's been almost 2 years since I've bought anything, and I don't plan on buying anything else this year, by the way. and I think I'll be extremely selective next year. I might continue my no buy if I'm entirely honest. Here we have the Age of Opulence. I was really attracted to the purples, especially like this and this. Oh my god, it's really nice in person. The outside packaging, it's not like as pretty as the Wilderness one in my opinion, but I don't think it's hideous either. It's weighty. Oh my, I'm so excited to do looks with this. I've watched so many tutorials with these, and for the holiday. Alright, so my audio and my visual just changed right now because my other camera, my point and shoot, died. So I just set myself up to show you the last item, which is the equalizer. It was on sale, I think, and that's why I wanted to buy it. I'll have the price on screen. I've seen Paulina talk about it and I really love her channel, and just watching her get ready with me videos, and I just thought, you know, I gotta try this out. Fantastic packaging, thick cardboard, also from Sample Beauty. This is all new to me, okay? I'm breaking my beauty babe virginity. This is what this palette looks like. Fantastic. Oh my gosh. Not so neutral type of palette that is kind of neutral. Like the middle is all purples, and then the sides are all shimmers, and this side is all matte. I am completely so I did a bobo. If you are in Canada and you're curious about the customs, shipping time, and everything, I'm gonna list it in the comments down below. Actually, I'll have it as the pinned comment along with the affiliate code for the Merit stuff, because I mean, I live in Montreal, Quebec, so to ship from the UK to here, that kind of thing like makes me nervous, and I like to know that. Like that's something I would ask. I'll see you in my next video, okay? Bye!